Manufactured products differ in the inventory treatment from assembled products. Inventory tracking of assembled products is at the raw materials component level, while manufactured products are tracked as finished goods. Assembled products are only put together when the product is being sold. The software deduct the components from the raw materials. Example, a burger has the bun, cheese, beef, pickles and onion assembled when the sale is processed and the cost of all the components calculated as the value of the product. In contrast, a manufactured product is made in advance and available in the inventory for sale. For example, a bakery make 1,000 loaves of bread. They deduct all the ingredients and convert as finished goods available for sale. We will start by navigating to the Make or Assemble tab within the Inventory Management app. Once in, click on the Add BOM button. Next you select the parent product, that was created as a manufactured or assembled product, and then assign the component raw materials with the respective quantity per unit, and inventory location to deduct the components. Then select the Add button. Keep repeating the process of adding components, until all are added and then click the Submit button to complete the process.